Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hi everyone, I Deepmani Bharadwaj welcomes you all again, and today we are having a very important news for all the IBPS aspirants that the notification that was released by IBPS about the examination that were going to be held from 12th of September has been extended. Yeah, you heard that right. It has been extended. As you can see that the examination that were going to be held on 12th and 13th are extended by IBPS. But there's a thing that they haven't told us about the further examinations. You already know that talking about the IPS examinations, about the prelims of this RRB, there were the dates that were given were 12th, 13th, 19th, 20th and 26th. But they have only given the notification regarding the 12th and 13th of September. That is, I'll say that we are still dependent on the examination from 19th onward. That is, they haven't given any notice regarding 19th, 20th and 26th. So please do not panic. It is not like that examination has been cancelled or there is nothing that of sort, because many students were asking me, sir, they have postponed the examination, that means it would be held in the next year after the corona situation. No, it's not like that, because you already know yesterday UPSC has conducted the examination for the NDA, isn't it? And it was held in both the shifts and it was held successfully. So that means that like the IBPS or the UPSC, both are the organizations which are very important one, and they follow all the rules and regulations very seriously. Since UPSC has conducted the examination, that means IBPS will also conduct the examination. Now the situation may be because of the coronavirus, that is because of the social distancing or lack of some facilities, whatsoever the reason is, but examination will be conducted sure sir. So please do not panic for it. But yeah, for the starting two dates, for the 12th and 13th of September, they have given the notification that examination is postponed. But yeah, they haven't told about the 19th. So maybe it's possibility that your examination will start from 19th onwards. So let us see what IPS gives the notification. But the important news for now is 12th and 13th examinations are postponed, and it may continue from 19th, as the dates were of 19th, 20th and 26th as well. Fine. So let's wait for it. But yeah, please continue your preparations. Do not think that they will be waiting for the next year or something like that, because I have already given an example that yesterday NDA's examination has been scheduled, or it has been conducted successfully for both these slots, that is for the morning shift and the evening shift both. Fine. So please continue with your preparation. So all the best for your examination. Thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.